Hi, I'm Jon Lewis and I'm the Managing Director for a company called Direct Healthcare Services. We supply the NHS with their mattresses, cushions, chairs and other products for pressure reduction. The company started in 2009. It started with just 3 of us, and over the last 3 years we've grown it to just under 4 million and we employ 28 people at the moment. I did think I'd run my own business. It wasn't originally one of the things I set out to do. I worked for a number of companies over the years, worked my way up through the ranks and found it difficult to take instruction from other people, and eventually realised the only way you're going to do it is to do it yourself. When you first started, you start to think, hang on, I've got full-time employment, I've got a salary coming in, and I'm sure I really want to do this. You decide yourself, you've got to make that leap and take that leap yourself and go for it, basically. If you look at it, yes, people say there's a recession out there, but provided you understand the market sector you're going in, look at the sector, do your research, run the numbers, understand your strengths, your weaknesses, and that if you're competitors, then there's never been a better time. Focus on why you started the business. Understand where you're going. Make sure before you start the business, you've got a business plan that you believe in, because if you don't believe in it, the banks who are going to lend you money will never believe in it. When you start your business, cash flow is the main thing you need to look at. Don't start spending your money on anything. Understand what you're spending it on and make sure it's to grow your business. When you're successful, you have enough money to spend on anything you want. But just remember, in the early years, you concentrate on the business itself. If you're going to succeed in this, one thing you need to do is have total self-belief in yourself. Understanding that why you started out in this is the reason you wanted to grow a business. Understanding that it's not going to happen overnight. When it starts to grow, you'll be surprised how quickly it can grow. Try to get people around you that can give you help. If there's something you don't understand, find somebody who can give you that understanding. Don't try to do it on your own. And also understand that your family needs to give you support. Somebody you can talk to when you doubt yourself on those long days that you're doing the right thing. The Welsh Government offers a multitude of support. You can take a look at their website, there's good tips and advice. And when you start to grow, they even offer grant assistance together with the local councils. And one other thing I'd say, try to get yourself a business mentor. Those mentors are there for you to have a phone call, to come to see you, to go through your business plan, and to tell you if you're on the right track or not. Very much for our own business, when we first started out, we started off on ourselves and we put money into the business. As we started to grow into manufacturing, we needed more and more machines. And the Welsh Government lent us some money through a grant system to buy some more machines, and that helps you to grow much, much quicker. It gave me that confidence then to take it to the next stage. And as you can see, everything has gone really, really well. In December of last year, we won the Western Mail Award for most high growth company. We've won an award from the Welsh Assembly, and we've also recently won an award from the NHS itself for delivery and service of our products, which is really something that brings home to us that we're growing well. Now is a good time to start your business in Wales because there's so much support out there to help you start your business, far more than in the past. It's there, they're looking to start small businesses, to grow them, to get indigenous businesses to grow, as well as people to come into Wales. And there's so much support there. I just don't believe there's been a better time in the 20 years I've been working in Wales. You can work hard and play hard, and that's what it's all about, your own business. Yes, you work hard, but you reap the rewards.